I was born into the tradition of it takes a village. A neighborhood often overlooked and neglected, but full of resilient, proud people. They shared a mighty faith filled with abundant love. The influence of that upbringing wove into me the African proverb, I am because we are. That means we're connected at every level. I don't just live for myself alone. It was that sentiment that anchored my passion for journalism, a passion I discovered as a teenager and that I practiced as a reporter for the Wichita State University Sunflower, the Community Voice, the Lawrence Journal World, and for 6 years as the Cultural Affairs reporter for the Wichita Eagle. I was able to give voice to the unusual voices, telling stories that don't typically get told in mass media, stories that help diverse people better understand one another. Understanding the power of messaging and branding, I launched CML Collective, a graphic design and communication services company. I wanted to make professional design services available to all people, not just to those who could afford to hire a marketing firm. And I wanted to do it with excellence. The company has surpassed my expectations, and I'm so grateful to my family, my mentors, and to each and every client. It's an honor to design for Wichita.
When we work with Christina at Cox Business or any other community project that I'm involved with, we know we're going to get a quality product that produces great results and delivers.
I'm also motivated by the untapped potential in minority entrepreneurs. Through my tax-exempt nonprofit Create campaign, we're helping urban entrepreneurs in Kansas to launch, innovate, and excel. We look for solutions that overcome the historic and systemic roadblocks facing minority-owned businesses. Our programming has reached more than 250 minority entrepreneurs in Wichita, and we've been able to help legally structure 6 minority-owned companies in the city as well. Most recently, we established a revolving microloan fund offered in partnership with the Bravely Onward Fund that is specifically designed to address the lending shortfall between minority entrepreneurs and others.
The work Christina does is incredible, right? She's giving all sorts of education to minority entrepreneurs and helping them get the right structure so that they can scale their business. But the piece that was missing was the funding. And I think she's really smart in coming up with this microloan program so that she can help turn the idea of the entrepreneur into a full-scale growing business.
I am because we are. This is culture-changing, mindset-shifting work. It's work that will help change people and the perceptions of neighborhoods like the one I grew up in. It creates economic power, and it is worth all of my time and energy. It is work that has changed my life and work that must live beyond me.